Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial, new video about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to reset your TikTok For You page. So let's go to the app. So right now, as you can see guys, we are on our TikTok profile page, and unfortunately I need to say that we don't have these special options like to reset our feed, but right now I will show you the very easy and simple steps that can help you to refresh your For You page, to make it more interesting and cooler for you. So let's check it, and I hope that this option will help you, will definitely help you. So let's do it. The first step is to go to the settings and to delete all of the cached, all of the junked files on your TikTok app. So how to do this? Of course we have the special video about it, but I will show you this process now again. So right now we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later we have to go to the settings and privacy option. Later we need to swipe a little bit to find the clear cache option here. Tap on it one time and wait a minute. Wait a minute. As you can see right now we have 0 opposite this option, which means that right now we don't have any cache. So this was the first step. The next one is of course to disable our watch history. So let's do this. Let's go to the watch history section here and tap on the special settings icon at the top of the screen, where we have to tap on the clear history feature, and don't forget to press the clear button on the notification bar. Successfully, yes. So right now we don't have any watch history. The next option, of course, you don't want which can help you. This is the content preferences option. If you don't have this feature set, you can smoothly manage it and customize. So as you can see here, we have such an options like video languages, so you can tap on it one time. Later let's pick on the add language, and for example if you want to add some language to your For You feed, you can make it more interesting, and you want to learn some new language, you can tap on it one time. So as an example I will choose this one. Later let's press on the done key at the top of the screen to save our newly added language. Of course you can tap on the trash bar opposite to disable it, but I won't do this. I will tap on the arrow here to go back to the main settings again and again. So right now our For You page will not be refreshed, but what can we do here? We can go to the home feature, go to the For You, and as an example I will choose this video to show you how to choose the preferences too. So as an example I don't like this TikTok, so I need to hold this feature, so hold this video one time for a minute. Later I need to pick on the not interested feature to disable this video from my For You page, which means that the same video with the same aesthetic, with the same title, with the same theme will be just smoothly turned off from your feed. So let's pick on the not interested option one time, and let's choose one of the reasons. I will tap on the first one as an example, and right now we don't have this video on our For You page, and as an example I will choose this one to have more video in this with this swipe on my For You page. So I will just click on the like option here to see such videos more, and later I just need to repeat these steps, like to choose likes or to choose the not interested option, to customize my feed, to make this feed more interesting for me. And later this TikTok application will choose such videos which can probably interesting for me. So it's just only the question of a time. You just have to use this app. You just have to go to the For You page and to segregate your TikToks to the not interesting and to the liked one. So right now, after, we just have to refresh our profile page, and it will be the end of the video, because unfortunately, as I said, we don't have this special option to reset everything, but only to make this manually, just to select in different ways. Don't interested, as I said before, or not, or liked. So guys, if this tutorial was useful, don't forget also to save likes below, and don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info YouTube and TikTok channels. Good luck!